Hello everyone, welcome to Master Excel Now. And today we are going to learn how to combine multiple sheets data into one single sheet. So let's first see what data do we have. So here I have sales data from a company called Computer Inc. for the year 2023, 2022, and 2021. So I'm going to call all that data into one sheet, which is this. How do we do that is, first, we will go to data, click on get data from file, and then from folder. I have placed all these sales data into one single folder, and which is Computer Inc. Don't double click on it because it will get inside the folder. Just be here and click computer folder and click open. And now we have all the files here. Click combine. And first, let's just see combine and load. We have other options here, combine and transform data and combine and load too. So for now, we are just going to use combine and load. Then it will give you a parameter. Here it shows the table format. Just click OK. If there are more than one, you can choose which goes best for you. Now it's getting data, and your data is all here from 2023, 21, and 22. This is a query and connection box which shows how the data is mapped. We don't need to use it for now. We will check on it when in our future videos. So now we have all the data and you can use it to create pivot tables and charts as you wish. The other way is we go back to a new sheet, which is this. Click on data, get data from file, from folder. Again, I will choose Computer Inc. We'll click on combine and say combine and load to. Then choose the parameter. Now it will ask me, how do you want this data? Do you want it in a table? We already saw a table just now. Pivot table report or a pivot chart, or only just create a connection. Then it also says, where do you want this data? In a new worksheet or an existing worksheet? So for now, I'm going to use new worksheet and I want it in a pivot table report. I'll click OK. Here, let's say I want the salesperson and the sales amount. And I'm also going to add profit. So here I have Alex, who did a sale of 31,900 with a profit of 3,950. And this is the combined data for all 3 years. Now, let's go to our sheet 1 again. This time, I want to go to data, click on get data from file, from folder, click Computer Inc. OK. I'm going to combine and load to, and then use a parameter. Now, in the box that comes up, we will use the pivot chart and we will say OK. Now in this pivot chart, I want the salesperson name, as I did earlier, the sales amount, and the profit. Let's make this chart a little bigger here. Close this, close this. Now you see it shows me the data for pivot and the chart directly. So these are a few options how you can combine your multiple Excels into one. Remember, the headers need to be the same. If there is a difference in header, it will give you a different response. So let's understand how real quickly. So I have opened up the sheets from 2023 and 2022. So you can see both of them are here. Now what we do is, let's say instead of sales amount, I say sales amounts. I have done a capital S. Save the file, close it. And here I would say sales quantities. Save and close it. Now I'll go back to sheet 1 again. Click on data, get data from file, from folder, choose my folder, combine and load. We just need a table. That's it. Sheet OK. Now it's fetching your data and we have everything. Perfect. So now here, let's understand the difference between these two. Here, if you see sales quantity is coming for 2021 and 2023 because these two sheets had the header sales quantity. And in the original first sheet that we combined, all the three had the same header. Let's go back. Here, sales amount, we changed 2023 to amounts. S was added at the end of amount, so that data is missing. So remember, your header of the file has to be the same in order to get the best output. So if there is any missing data, there could possibly be two reasons. One, they are blank in the original data sheet, or the header does not match with the header of other files. I hope you liked the video content today. Do like, share, and subscribe the channel and watch other videos to learn more about Excel. Thank you. Have a nice day.